The first window the user sees is the Import tab window. Here it is possible to upload document scans or entire document folders. Now, immediately after selecting the files, a progress bar from loading documents appears. Right after loading, the documents are processed by our artificial intelligence models. The files that have been loaded are visible in the File tab. Once the documents are loaded, I can go to Verification tab. The Verification tab window contains three elements: Document table, Verification panel, and Document Preview window. Documents processed by iDoc algorithms are visible in the Document table. The status read means that iDoc has processed the documents, that is, it has recognized the category of the document and read the attributes. Now I have to verify if correct category has been assigned. I double click to open the document. A preview of the document scan appears on the right side. By looking at the document, I can confirm that iDoc has correctly recognized the document category. So I click the Confirm Category button. The status changes to Correct, and the verification panel is activated. The attributes read by iDoc are placed in the verification panel in separate tabs, also called objects. The verification process itself involves comparing attributes read by iDoc with the attributes visible on the document. A color is assigned to each tab. When a tab is unfolded in the preview, the place where iDoc extracted a particular attribute from is highlighted. This way, the user does not have to read the entire document, but only compare whether the places from which the attributes were read are correct. It is also possible to indicate the place from which iDoc read a particular value. Right-clicking opens a list of candidates. By moving the cursor on one of the candidates, the exact place where a particular value was extracted is pointed out in the preview. This place is also highlighted in red. I can easily correct or add a new value. I choose the Add New Value button and now mark on the preview the correct value of the attribute. iDoc reads various types of information: date, numbers, the duration of the decision, the area, and also the informations about locations. After verification, I accept the document, which completes the processing of documents in iDoc. Information read by iDoc models can be automatically imported into other systems. MGIS is a GIS system integrated with iDoc that includes several databanks. In one of the databanks, there is a decision table. This table is automatically supplied with data read by iDoc. Each record in the table corresponds to exactly one decision. The decision editor contains attributes previously read by iDoc. The decision now displayed in the editor is the same decision I just presented in iDoc. Based on the information read about location, we have created an area that corresponds to the location of the investments. We can easily check the location. A light yellow line shows the exact location of the investments. In addition to that, in the plots tab, a separate plot object has also been attached to the decision. Also, network objects can be attached. By choosing one of the objects on the map, I can easily attach it to the decision. In this way, a database is automatically created. Artificial intelligence models read the data from the documents. The data is imported into GIS system and collected in databank. All decisions are displayed in Decision Manager. Here the context can be sorted and filtered as required. Using a predefined database query, I can display only those decisions that will be completed in the next 120 days. I can create a report by exporting the results of this query.